Configuring AWS Amplify REST API is a straightforward process that enables developers to create scalable and secure RESTful APIs. To begin, create an AWS Amplify project and install the Amplify CLI. Next, configure the Amplify project by running the command amplify init, and follow the prompts to set up the project. Then, create a new REST API by running the command amplify add API, and choose the REST option. Provide a name for the API and choose an authorization type, such as API key or Amazon Cognito. Once the API is created, define the API endpoints and methods using the Amplify update API command. For example, to create a GET endpoint, run the command amplify update API, and then add the endpoint details, including the path, method, and response type. After configuring the API, deploy it to AWS by running the command amplify push. This command creates the necessary AWS resources, including the API gateway and Lambda function. To test the API, use a tool like Postman or curl to send requests to the API endpoint. Be sure to include any required headers or authentication credentials. Best practices for configuring AWS Amplify REST API include using environment variables to store sensitive data, implementing authentication and authorization, and monitoring API performance using AWS CloudWatch. Additionally, use AWS IAM roles to control access to the API and ensure that the API is properly secured. By following these steps and best practices, developers can create a scalable and secure REST API using AWS Amplify. Overall, AWS Amplify provides a powerful and flexible way to create REST APIs. And by following this guide, developers can quickly and easily configure a REST API that meets their needs.